Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. If you are new to this channel, then please do click on subscribe button to get notification of my new videos. Today in this video we are going to cover our next topic, that is how could we read CSV data using custom separator. So we have already created a file at this location. Inside the E drive there is one folder that is called Eclipse Workspace, and inside that there is one another folder that is called CSV doc, and we have created the custom separator file with name result semicolon separator. So let's open it. Here we have created the CSV file with custom separator, that is semicolon. So guys, let's start our program. First we have to open the Eclipse, and after opening the Eclipse we need to create Java project. So for creating Java project, first go to file, click on new, now go to Java project. Write down the project name. I will write CSV operation. Use default location, JRE, project layout and other stuffs. Leave them as default, and now go ahead and click on next. So now what we need to do here, we need to add external jars. So for that we will go on libraries, click on add external jars, select both jar file, and now click on open. So don't worry about these external jars, you can directly download them using below link which is already provided in description. And now at last click on finish. After successfully creating the project, we need to create a Java class. So for that, right click on project, go to new, and now click on class. So pick your Java class name as you required. I will pick up the name as read CSV data from custom separator. And also check this box, public static void main string argument, and now click on finish. Okay, let's start our program. First we will define the path of our CSV file as and we will copy the path of our CSV file where it is saved. And now at last append the file extension, that is .csv. And inside main method we will call our method as now the method and now we will start to write down our defined method. Now in this try block we will write down our logic. So first we will create an object of file reader class with CSV file as a parameter. So and now we will create CSV parser object with custom separator, that is semicolon. And now we will create CSV reader object with parameter of file reader and parser as and now we will create the list of type string to read all data at once. And now we will print the data of list. Here the another system.out.println, it will help the cursor to move to the next line. So how the data is printing here, it is like star pattern programming. First the row is iterated and then we are printing the value of cell separated by the tab space. And now at last, after try block, catch block is required to catch if there is any kind of exception or not. So what is print stack trace? We have already discussed this topic in my previous video. Anyways, I will define it in video description. From there you can go through it. And now let's review our program again. So there are a couple of errors. Let's try to fix them. Multiple marker at this line, file reader cannot be resolved. Okay, so just click on it and import the file reader. Similarly for CSV parser, import CSV parser. For CSV reader also, import CSV reader. For list, import util. So all the errors has been identified and fixed. It looks good now and has no error. So let's run our program. Great, it has been successfully executed, and this is our result. So thank you guys. This tutorial reads CSV data from custom separator and here. If you like this information or do have any suggestion, then please comment on this video and hit on like button to support me. Thank you guys. Bye. See you again.